Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaushiki Agarwal and I'm back with a new video. So for today's video, I will be reviewing a product which is this Wow Skin Science Onion Seed Oil. So a lot of people have been using this product and it is hyped all over internet right now, and all the influencers and all the YouTubers are using this and recommending this. So I thought, why not to purchase this product for myself and use it for a while and then share the review with you guys about it. So I have used it for about a month now and I'm sharing my review about this to you guys. So if you want to know, then stay tuned. And before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. And you can also follow me on my Instagram and Facebook page, and everything will be linked in the description box. So let's get started now. So talking about the ingredients of this product, so the main ingredient of this product is onion black seed, which basically helps to promote hair growth and also helps to make your hair soft, smooth and more supple. It also has almond oil in it, which helps in brain development and also helps to make your hair shiny and smooth. It also has castor oil in it, which helps to promote blood circulation and helps to promote hair growth as well. And it also has jojoba oil, olive oil and coconut oil in it. So there are so many oils present in it, which means we need not to apply any extra oil in our scalp, because whatever we need, whatever sort of nutrition we need for our hair is present in this one bottle. It also does not contain any harmful chemicals or any silicone or any fragrance or any mineral oils in it, which in a long run might cause damage to our hairs. So talking about the packaging of this product, so it comes in a plastic bottle like this, which is very good, I believe, because generally I fall my things a lot and I break it. So if it would be of glass, then I would have just broken it until now. So that is a very good thing. Also, it came in a plastic wrap, like above the bottle there was a plastic wrap which prevented it from spilling during the delivery time. Also, it has a cap which is very sturdy, which again prevents it from spilling of the oil. And then it has a dispenser like this, which is a pump dispenser, which I believe is quite hygienic, and also a cap above it, which is again very hygienic. Also, as you can see that everything is mentioned in the packaging as well. All the ingredients are mentioned over here as well, and also over here as well, and all the MFD and every details is mentioned over here, like manufacturing date, expiry date, and the product quantity and the price of the product. So that is a very good thing according to me. And also there is a barcode over here which you can scan with your mobile phones on Google, and which is basically for the authenticity and safety of the product. So which means that they are not selling any fake product. In total, the packaging is so nice, and also it's very travel friendly because it's of plastic, and also every cap is very sturdy and prevents the oil from spilling. So let's talk about the quantity and price of this product. So it comes in a 200 ml of product, 200 ml of bottle, which is priced at rupees 599, and it is mentioned over here. But because I bought it in a combo pack like this, and it contains a shampoo, a conditioner and a hair oil, and I got this in offer for rupees 899 from Amazon, and I will be linking that in the description box from where I purchased it. It is cruelty free, gluten free and also 100% vegan. Talking about the finish of this product is of very non-oily and non-greasy finish. So also, if you are planning to apply this oil on your scalp and go out, obviously you can do that. Yesterday I have applied this oil on my scalp and it wasn't at all sticky or oily, and that's the best thing about this product. Talking about the fragrance of this product, so this product has a mild onion mixed with some lemon sort of fragrance, and it doesn't have a foul onion kind of fragrance like when we apply raw onion raw onion water on our scalp. It doesn't have that kind of fragrance. Its fragrance is very sweet and very mild, and personally I love the fragrance of this product. But if you are someone who doesn't like any sort of fragrance on in your beauty product or anything like that, then you might not like it. But personally I love the fragrance of this product. It helps to prevent your itchy scalp, dandruff or anything like that, or any sort of fungal infection or anything is there in your hair. This will just remove that. And I had a lot of dandruff before using this product, but after a month now my dandruff has been cleared and my scalp feels a lot fresh now. I've been using this for a month now and I'm ready for the final verdict of this. So the final verdict of this is you can definitely go ahead and try out this product, and I will recommend that buy a combo pack like I did and buy it in offer. It will cost a lot less than regular and it's very good for your hair. It has made my hair really shiny and that itchy scalp has also gone. So I will just recommend this product 100% and go ahead and grab yours. So the link will be in the description box. So guys, that was it about this video. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed the video and it's rated helpful for you guys. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.